During the First World War, trench warfare became the hallmark of the battlefields, and with it arose the prominence of snipers equipped with rifles fitted with telescopic sights. These marksmen changed the dynamic of warfare, capable of targeting enemies from long distances with deadly precision. In the beginning, the German Imperial Army took the lead in utilizing scoped rifles, gaining an edge to strike from afar. Observing their success, the British and French forces quickly incorporated similar tactics to counteract the looming threat. Before this innovation, sharpshooters were a part of the military landscape, but the advent of the rifle scope revolutionized distant combat. A soldier armed with this technology could target and eliminate threats simply waiting for an enemy to appear momentarily. In the confines of trench warfare, where any exposure could be fatal, the fear of snipers was ever present. Those assigned the duty of observation or sentries were especially vulnerable, given they had to risk exposing themselves periodically. Soldiers in trenches became increasingly wary, knowing well that hidden snipers could strike them down with a swift shot. As sniper technology evolved alongside the advancement of camouflage techniques, identifying these stealth oppressors grew more challenging. Being aware of the sniper threat, troops employed various strategies to mitigate their peril. Camouflage units, grappling with the urgency of sniper threats, engineered clever decoys to draw snipers out of their hiding places. Among the innovative methods devised, the paper-mache decoy heads became a unique and practical solution. Utilizing materials like paper, glue, and starch common to doll making, the resulting creations were cheap yet effective. In workshops close to the front lines, artisans labored to craft realistic human-like heads with intricate detail. The scope of these decoys extended beyond basic shapes. They bore lifelike facial features and were painted to resemble skin tones. To enhance authenticity, some of these dummy heads featured smoking cigarettes in their mouths, operated via rubber tubes to simulate breathing. The decoy heads were affixed to long sticks, enabling safe elevation beyond the trench parapet. The apparent presence made them an irresistible target for snipers who, upon firing at the decoy, revealed their location. Observers noted points of impact to triangulate sniper positions. Alternatively, a keen soldier could place a periscope into the decoy head to directly pinpoint the sniper. Once the general area of an enemy sniper was identified, artillery bombarded the location or counter-snipers moved to act. The British forces, initially struggling under the weight of German sniper attacks, pioneered the use of these decoy heads to neutralize the enemy threat. Witnessing their effectiveness, other armies soon adopted similar measures. Thus, amidst the grim trenches of war, the dance between snipers and decoys played out, a testament to human ingenuity and the ever-evolving face of warfare. With each advancement, the battlefield became not just a place of conflict, but a testing ground for tactics that could turn the tides of war.